Welcome to a deep dive into the next big thing in the open source world. Today we're breaking down the features, improvements, and impact of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, a version that promises to change the game for developers, system administrators, and tech fans. In the next few minutes, we'll explore every part of this huge update, from its core to its AI powers. Meet Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. At its heart, you'll find a faster, more efficient kernel. Security has been completely redone, with better protection thanks to the smart use of Rust. It comes with built-in AI tools that used to need complicated setups. And of course, it's totally ready for the newest hardware hitting the market. This isn't just a small update, it's a huge leap forward. The core of any operating system is its kernel, and Ubuntu 26.04 comes with the much-awaited Linux 7.0. This isn't a small change. A big version jump in a long-term support release means a super stable and fast base that's ready for the next 5 to 10 years. Kernel 7.0 brings important new ways it's built. The task scheduler, for example, has been tweaked to better manage the performance and efficiency cores of today's processors. This means your system will feel snappier and laptops will last longer on a charge. For input and output, the I/O Uring interface keeps getting better. It lets you do disk and network tasks at the same time with very little extra work, which is super important for databases and busy websites. The network part has also been made stronger, with support for new network hardware and better ways to send data that make things faster and reduce delays. This gets the system ready for the demands of the next generation of internet connections. Speaking of hardware, compatibility is one of the strongest points of this version. Kernel 7.0 brings day one support for the newest processor designs. This includes Intel's Panther Lake family, which powers the next generation of super-thin laptops, and the Nova Lake desktop design, promising big jumps in power efficiency. For AMD, we have full support for the Zen 6 design, making sure Ryzen and EPYC users can get every last bit of power from their new processors. But support doesn't stop at the CPU. Intel Xe3 graphics are fully built in, giving you a smoother desktop experience and faster video encoding. And perhaps most importantly for the future, native support for NPUs, or neural processing units. These special chips for AI are now first-class citizens in Ubuntu, which is a big deal for both desktop computers running local models and servers handling large AI tasks. Let's move on to security, an area where Ubuntu 26.04 makes one of its boldest moves. Inside, key system services are slowly being rewritten in Rust. Why is this so important? Languages like C and C++, traditionally used in operating systems, are powerful but often have a type of error called memory safety bugs, like buffer overflows. These bugs are the main cause of most serious security problems. Rust, with its ownership system and borrow checker, stops these errors when the code is being built. By rewriting important parts, like certain system programs or data analyzers, in Rust, Canonical aims to greatly reduce how much of the operating system can be attacked. It's a proactive effort to make security stronger from the ground up, getting rid of weaknesses before they can be used. Also, Apermore profiles have been made stronger, and it works better with Linux for places that need even stricter security rules. Physical and data security also get a key upgrade. Full disk encryption, backed by TPM, is now a standard and simpler option during installation. By using your hardware's trusted platform module, Ubuntu can seal the encryption keys, making sure your data is safe from unwanted access, even if the hard drive is physically removed from the computer. For businesses, these protections can go even further. Ubuntu Pro extends enterprise-level protections beyond the main operating system. This includes security patches for thousands of open-source packages in the Universe repository, covering a much wider range of applications that businesses use every day. For regulated industries like finance or healthcare, this is vital for meeting rules and regulations. Plus, Ubuntu Pro offers the option of extended support for up to 12 years. This provides an incredibly stable and predictable platform for critical systems that can't afford frequent updates, ensuring a steady stream of security patches for over a decade. The field of artificial intelligence and machine learning is, without a doubt, what's driving innovation today, and Ubuntu 26.04 is setting itself up as the go-to platform for this area. The biggest change is the built-in support for NVIDIA's CUDA and AMD's ROCm drivers and libraries. This removes one of the biggest hurdles for AI developers on Linux. No more complicated manual installs, third-party PPAs, or dealing with conflicting software. With a simple command, the system will find your hardware and set up the best environment. This means NVIDIA and AMD GPUs work right away, ready for local language model inference or image generation, and of course for developing and training new models. This ease of use makes high-performance AI more accessible on your desktop. All these improvements lead to real performance gains. In our early tests, we've seen faster boot times thanks to optimized system services. Idle memory usage has stayed low despite the new features. For the desktop user, this means smoother window animations and faster app launches. For servers, the kernel improvements mean lower network delays and a greater ability to handle many connections at once, which directly affects how well web applications and databases perform. With these new features come new requirements. An important note: the minimum recommended RAM has gone up to 6 GB. While the system can run with less for a smooth experience, especially if you plan to use the new AI tools or run many applications, 6 GB is the new starting point. For the best performance, we suggest 8 GB or more. As for storage, a standard install with a few apps will take up about 30 GB. But if you're going to work with containers or AI models, plan accordingly. Who is this update for? Clearly, it's a serious upgrade for advanced users and infrastructure teams. Developers will benefit from a ready-to-use AI environment and the latest versions of tools and compilers. DevOps and infrastructure teams will get a more secure, higher-performing, and long-supported platform, perfect for big deployments in the cloud or on their own hardware. The Rust rewrite and TPM encryption are strong reasons for any organization where security is a top priority. In short, Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is built on three main things: a faster, future-ready kernel, stronger and more proactive security thanks to Rust and better encryption, and native AI support that makes the workflow for developers and data scientists much simpler. It's a tough platform, made for both the advanced user's desktop and the backbone of the most demanding infrastructure teams. This has just been a quick look at what this impressive version can do. There's so much more to discover underneath. If you want an even deeper dive into each of these features, with practical demos and performance tests, subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we'll do a detailed walkthrough. Thanks for joining us.